Dear friend, maybe you are getting our forgiveness diet, forgiveness challenge ka messages. Please let me tell you one important thing. In my life, I developed so many programs, but one of the things which transformed my own life was a forgiveness. And this forgiveness is created a transformation into more than 150 people just in this month. And the thousands of people in the past for sure. But this forgiveness is the one of the exercise that we are going to do tomorrow. See, please, I'm just taking a commitment fee of the 199, but please remember that forgiveness is a beautiful exercise which can be transform your life forever. So please remember, if you don't deal with your past, you cannot create your future. Past always bring the tears, future always bring the anxiety. So please remember that one. If you don't deal with your past, nothing happen. As per the all the research in the world, the major cause of the all the autoimmune disease, including the cancer, is that the grief, the past, the that all the negativity you carries, and that very different type of cellular level of negativity which is created into your body, mind, and soul. So if you want to really remove that one, tomorrow is the day. So please join this forgiveness diet. I'll tell you, this is going to be change your life. This is the best, and I'm asking you just the commitment fee of 199, nothing else. Thank you. God bless you all. If you really want to transform your life and you want to heal yourself, then please come and meet us tomorrow.